of June 24, IGCSE Paper 1, question 24. Hopefully you're looking at this to figure out where you made a mistake to learn how to do the question. Right, so it is a question involving angles, polygons and series. Angles in polygons, so you know angles in polygons. The number of sides minus 2 times by 180 equals the sum of the interior angle. Right? That's the first thing I think I need to write to do this question. So I'm just going to expand it out. 180n minus 360 equals interior. Okay. It tells me that the smallest angle is 84 and the difference is there. We also have the other formula for the sum. So the other way of working out the sum is the number of sides, the number of angles divided by 2 times by 2 times 84 plus n minus 1 times by a difference of 4 equals the sum of the interior angles. Let's expand that out. So that gives me n over 2 times 168 plus 4n minus 4, which becomes n over 2, 164 plus 4n. Just make this bigger while we work through this. Plus 4n. That becomes 84 plus 2n times by n, so that's 84n plus 2n squared. This is interior. These two must equal each other, so 2n squared plus 84n must equal 180n minus 360. So if I do that, that gives me 2n squared. Take 98n plus 360. Right, before I factorise that, 2 goes into all of that. That factorises to be n minus 45, n minus 4, n must be 45 because of what the question says. Right, now there's our key bits. We're going to use that to work through the other one. Right, let's look at this one. Right, so it's 6-sided. It's a polygon. So because it's a polygon, what was the first thing that I wrote down? Can you remember? First thing I wrote down was number of sides minus 2 times by 180 equal to interior. Done that, so let's just tidy that up. So we know that. Now, what is the next bit we need to know? We need to know it's a sequence of angles. So the sum of the sequence, which is the number of sides or angles, n over 2 times by 2 times the first term, which is 200, plus the number of sides minus 1 times by the difference. Right, we've used that. What am I going to do with that? I need to tidy that up. So why don't you tidy it up? Right, I'm going to expand it to tidy it up. So I've got n over 2 times by 100, 200 plus 4n, take 4, which is n over 2, 196 plus 4n. Expand that through, so that gives me 98n plus 2n squared. They are interior. What do I do with this and that? Because they're, or not that, or this one. They are equal. So we're going to write that out. Because they are equal, what can we do now? Yeah. Now what do I need to do to find n? Do it. Sorry, I'm going to divide by 2 first. Then I'm going to factorise it. N can't be 5, so it must be 36. Brilliant. Thank you. Now remember to go and look at the other questions on the website to make sure you can master this and practice it.